Hello guys, I hope you guys are good and able to see my previous videos. Today I come live because it was really important to share with you the current Bitcoin situation. I'll show you some important things that it's required to know before you can start trading, and it will help you to understand what is going on. Especially now the market is really in a position where you can open deals, and today I'm going to explain you why I go live and why I want you to understand the situation at this point, so you can have some profit and you can try to understand why I keep asking you guys not to buy Bitcoin. So I always ask people to sell Bitcoin because of the current situation. I'm going to share with you a few things, a few data as well. I can see here in Forex Factory, if you can see the news. Lot of stuff is available to manage and see if how you can understand the current market news. If you can see here, there are some news, but especially I want to share with you the calendar. Like today it was Monday, and especially during Monday market is not really like the trading time. Such areas whenever you can open trade, if you can see that Bitcoin is in a good way, and there are chances that you can have an open deal. If you remember, I share with you always the trend, how the trend was. Now you can see there is market is currently going up as per 1 hour chart, but if you can see the 5-hour chart, it's a small movement towards upward again. But such movement, if you can see this candle, are huge up. At this point, before I will explain it to you this, if you can see here, the last Friday I had a day, I explained the drop, and I already also explained that what will happen if market is going up, and if you can see a drop like red candles, you can open sell trade. But after 5-hour chart, market start moving downward, but it was only like around 60 to 70 points. If I can open here 1 hour chart, and we'll see the it's 5-hour chart. I explain it to you, then 1 day chart here, then 1 week. See, so if we can see the 1 week chart, it's still in the same position where I always explain, and now you can see that market is around 57,272. So last Friday I explained 57,800 is important, but now as per this current situation, market breaks almost 58. It reached 58, but after that it start falling again. As per you see the today detail, as per the candles, you can see it's 2865 plus, so 5% market go up, and possible that you can see little bit more up, but I'm just waiting a bit more because there are chances that market will move downward again. So I'm just waiting for this 5 hour candle to finish, and if this stops here and it not going upward, the next candle will give you a very good position for sell. So this will really acting the way Bitcoin always act. So from here, if you can see, the 5 hour candle is just, it's a very slow movement. If you will just pick here, you can see that market is just standing, it's not moving even a single point. But when you see the 5 hour candle, if it's still the same and the market will not move much current after 5 hours, when this 5 hour candles finish, the next drop you will see, and there are very good chances that we can open sell deal, but you need to wait 30 to 45 minutes. If you can see the next candle, 5 hour candle is moving down, then you can open sell trade. It is good chance to understand the market. As you can see here, there are commodities and the crypto detail here for today. So what they are talking, like they have some details and always talking about Bitcoin that might be going upward, or see what he said, El Salvador bought the dip, acquiring 100 more Bitcoin. So people will in Bloomberg, they will give you such kind of information that they are going to buy this much Bitcoin, and this much of experience. Like there are some, see this one, why VC investors Tim Trapper is betting big on crypto. So as per him, that market might will be go up. As I mentioned before, that these kind of rumor will give you the information that market is going up. So mostly people follow these things, and they will keep ask you to buy Bitcoin. But the crypto market is really not work such way. Rumors hype, people start doing this and keep buying Bitcoin. But in forex market, if you see my previous video, I always mention what to do and what not to do. So some do and don'ts I already explained in my previous videos, and I can understand that people can understand what are the important factors that you will know before you can start trade. So remember, if you remember this 1 year chart and the area where you can open a deal, now you can see here it's a very clear, I even mentioned before. Now you can see this high from here, then drop, then from here to here again. So this is very similar candles from here. So these things I explain a lot from my previous videos, and now you can see that currently it has a same movement. Now you can see this candle, this and this. So this is very important, and if you guys have any question, you can let me know. I can explain you this structure of the Bitcoin, why these candles are in a such way, and what are the things that you need to know before you can act to buy. So this is very clear for me. It's really clear. Uh, this breaking news which he is trying to show about the Bitcoin market and going to invest. There are a lot of other YouTubers. I can see they are just having some bet, like they said that market will reach like 100 plus, and within this month. How it is, it's possible. It's already 29, and means like there is a rocket coming, and it will bring the Bitcoin 100 plus within this month or even December. I cannot see the Bitcoin movement even till end of December like 100 plus. As per the current situation, you need to know that as per this current chart, and there are some crypto breaking news by different people. It's not really the right thing to do, because why they are doing these things, because more big investors, they have investment in Bitcoin, and they had opens deal like from 68,000 point or 69,000 points. If you remember that it reached like 68,000 plus few weeks ago, and everyone start thinking that market is going to breach 100,000. So these kind of people are bloggers or YouTubers or finance analysts who have already invested a lot when market was 66,000 plus. Whenever it breaks 66,000, and they were thinking it will reach 98,000, 100,000 plus. But market was not able to break 70,000 point, and market start moving downward. From that time till now, I keep asking people not to trade with Bitcoin in such way. So that's why, if you can see, the Bitcoin movement was volatile, and after that what happened, that market keep moving downward. So if you remember, I had shared my chart before, and you can see this chart, and try to understand why I keep asking that not to trade with the Bitcoin for the buy position. So this chart is always there from last 2 weeks, which I already explained. A lot of people that they can understand, and they can try to know the current situation. So if you were able to see this chart, what I explained, if it's break and what happened. So it breaks this point and market reach up, and I mentioned my previous video 57,800 crucial. Before I mentioned 59,600 and 59 and 60,000 till 61,000. But now the current the support area, it should be like 57,700. So it's not really breaking. It's reached like 58,000, but after that it's break, because sometimes whatever the support will be or resistance will be, market break a few point, a few hundred points, or 200-300 points, and after that market returns. So same happened here. If you can see 5-hour chart, it breached like 58,000, and after that market went down. And from here, now 5-hour chart giving you a clear indication, and the new chart is all about to the new candle for 5-hour about to start, and there is a good chances that market will start moving downward again. So this is very good point that you can open trade. There are special trade for sell and but you can make your own decision, because for me, as per my observation, we can open sell deal for the next 5 hours, and you can have even 100 points, 200 points, or even possible for 5,000 or 6,000 points. Because as per my observation and all the the breaking news coming about Bitcoin, and people are taking risk to buy. Even some people, as I mentioned, that some people asking might be market is reaching more than 100,000 within this month, which I cannot see, but there are big YouTubers. There are many. They have many followers. They can understand things, and they can just tell you something which is possible for them, that market will reach 100,000 within 1 month or more. So if you can see, if for me, all the people who follow me and they try to trade, I just ask them, just try to open only for a few points, even 100 points, 80 points. If you want to earn a few $100 as per your deal size, even $10 to $20 for the small Bitcoin traders, if they don't have enough amount, even $100 investment, they can give you $5, $3, $5 like this easily. Uh, Mostly, if you can see here, cryptocurrency brokers, what they are talking, like they they always give you some, see how they are charging. Like this is cryptocurrency, the currency.com. See the leverage they give 100 into 500 leverage. So like here you can see zero spread. They are giving in the for Bitcoin. So they people the online brokers who do this forex stuff, they are also looking people to invest in Bitcoin. So that's why I even always trade with Bitcoin, because it will give you a very easily and easy to understand the situation, and you can trade like a professional. Uh, Try to watch the previous videos which I had, and you can try to understand what's really going on with the Bitcoin, and how the market might move day by day. So you can open trade and understand. Sorry, sorry.